Hello everyone and welcome back to Tuscany. I am Danilo Romolini and today we are on the hills of Impruneta, just a few kilometers to Florence and on the edge of the Chianti Classico region. The property we're about to visit together is a fully restored apartment with private garden, with private parking space, which is a portion of an old and ancient farm. The location is prime. We are just 500 meters away from the prestigious Ugolino Golf Club. Are you ready to see it? Come with me. The property is part of a gated community which was completely restored from an ancient farm from the 1800s around the year 2020. It was divided into many portions, each one with its own private outdoor space and parking. The property we're about to see is arguably on the best position with the best views, outdoor space and 2 private parking spots. Welcome to the property. We are in a section of the private garden. In total, 830 square meters of outdoor space. Already from here, you can notice how well manicured it is. Every detail has been taken care of. There are beautiful plants, beautiful flowers throughout, and this stone pathway to welcome you in. As soon as you arrive, you find the first terrace. This is completely covered in pietra serena stone, typical of Tuscany and especially Florence. On this side, there is a large storage area which is very comfortable for all of the tools of the garden. And now let's go inside. Welcome to the main living area. The property combines the charm of Tuscan architecture together with the comfort and design of a modern home. It is laid on one single floor with a total of around 200 square meters, 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, and of course a magical outdoor loggia and garden. The home is equipped with underfloor heating throughout and air conditioning. The floor is tiled with this beautiful light-colored stone that comes all the way from Trani in Apulia. On the ceilings we find large wooden beams typical of Tuscan homes. As you can see from the sitting area, the space beautifully flows into the dining and into the kitchen through these large arches. The home has been beautifully furnished with pieces collected from trips from all around the world. The formal dining area opens directly onto the kitchen, which is a beautiful built-in kitchen made with both a light-colored stone matching the floors, as well with top-of-the-line appliances by Officine Gullo. We have the Gullo fridge on this side with the fridge above and the freezer at the bottom. Then we have storage on this lower section with a spacious sink over here, the dishwasher, additional storage on these 2 sides, and at the center we have this incredible piece also from Gullo, which is also beautifully designed, so adds charm and character to the space. There are 2 ovens at the bottom. The top is completely operated by gas. As we look up, we find these very nice tiles and a large extractor right above. It is made of stainless steel, so very easy to clean and very durable. In the end, we have a coffee station with 2 storages right below. It's the perfect space for cooking while entertaining, with these 2 large openings that connect and flow onto the outdoor area, with a beautiful dining and sitting space where one can enjoy a meal while overlooking the beautiful countryside. Outside, this charming pergola, covered by this huge wisteria, creates the perfect spot for relaxing and enjoying a glass of wine with friends. It is completely paved with pietra serena stone and divided onto 2 areas. We have this large dining table right by the kitchen, and on the other side we have a spacious and comfortable sitting space, as well with a hammock. From the loggia we access to this large garden. The total outdoor space is of 830 square meters. It is completely fenced, so if you have kids or animals, they can play around freely. There is an irrigation system throughout and also the lights for the evening that create a beautiful ambience. There is also the possibility of creating a swimming pool, perhaps on this step, which would really be the cherry on the cake for a home like this. We've seen the living areas and garden. It is now time to have a look at the bedrooms. They are connected through this hallway, both through the kitchen and living space. The first one over here is currently used as a home office. However, it could very well be also set up as a bedroom. Next, we find the first bathroom. This bathroom can be used both by this bedroom or office, as well as the living spaces as a service bathroom. We have the sink first, and then a large shower at the end, which takes up the whole width of the bathroom. The shower is finished with the beautiful stone that we find on the floor. On the upper part of the sink, we find these very nice handmade and hand-painted tiles. Welcome to the second bedroom. Also here we find the light colored stone floor, the double bed at the center, and a large wardrobe on this end. There is lots of natural light coming from this side, with a large window that also lets you access onto the garden. Next to this bedroom, we have a spacious bathroom that takes up the whole width of the bedroom. It has a large bathtub in the end, and also here beautifully furnished with lots of pieces. Finally, we have the primary bedroom, which is by far the largest. Also here we find these very nice and charming wooden beams on the ceiling, the same style of floors. There is this large wardrobe which is made for this space, and it's very spacious. The bed is at the center, and it also has a large door or window to exit to the garden if you like. And here we are ending today's property tour. This home is ideal both for someone that would like a beautiful residence immersed in the countryside, but at the same time a stone throw to the city center of Florence, as well as someone that would like a pied-à-terre in Tuscany, close to the birthplace of Renaissance and all of the comforts as well as the airport, together with having a home that is elegant, modernized, and beautifully designed. Please let us know if you have any comments in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe to the Romolini channel for the best homes of Italy every week. Until next time, ciao!